10th Samachir Max exercise 3.14, write in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So I am first writing this alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Your question given here is alpha by 3 beta plus beta by 3 alpha. So you have to write in alpha plus beta, and that is sum of the products, sum of the terms and product of the terms. So sum of the roots, product of the roots, like that you have to write. Here it is sum. So sum means you take LCM first for the given question. You have to write the given format in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So take LCM means your LCM will be 3 alpha beta. Now multiply this with 3 alpha, this with, you have 3 alpha beta means 3 already you have. So this has to be multiplied only with alpha. So see, you know here 3 alpha beta is your LCM means here you have 3 beta. So only alpha has to be multiplied. Same way here you have 3 alpha means you want beta alone. So into beta. So you will get alpha square plus beta square. So this can be written as, you know, alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by 3 alpha beta. See, you have learnt already in your 8th standard itself, alpha square plus beta square, because alpha plus beta the whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. This is your formula. So you want this alpha plus beta the whole square alone means alpha plus beta the whole square, bring this 2 alpha beta this side. So alpha plus beta the whole square plus you will write it as minus. So alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to alpha square plus beta square. That is what I have written here. So alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta by 3 alpha by alpha beta. So second subdivision, you have this 1 by alpha square beta plus 1 by beta square alpha. This you have to write in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So I am writing here, taking LCM means here you have alpha square beta square, alpha beta. So your LCM is alpha square beta square. You know the maximum will be your LCM. So now this you have alpha beta alone is missing here. So your alpha square beta, beta square is there. So into beta, here into alpha, so you will get beta plus alpha by alpha square beta square. So this can be written as alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta the whole square. So you are writing in terms of alpha plus beta and beta alpha beta. Here you have written alpha plus beta, alpha beta. So that is where you have to write. Okay. So now this you can just 3 alpha minus, so just multiply. 3 alpha means 3 3s are 9 alpha beta minus 3 alpha minus 3 beta minus into minus plus 1. So it is equal to 9 alpha beta minus of, you take out 3, you can take out for both the terms alone, alpha plus beta plus 1. Next sum, alpha plus beta plus beta plus alpha plus 3 by beta plus beta plus 3 by alpha. So taking LCM means your LCM is alpha beta. So this has to be multiplied with alpha. Alpha plus 3 plus beta into beta plus 3. All ordinary LCM only I am taking up. So multiply means alpha square plus 3 alpha plus beta square plus 3 beta divided by alpha beta. So it is equal to alpha square plus beta square. I am collecting the terms, alpha square beta square I am collecting. Okay. Then 3 alpha 3 beta. So 3 is common in both. So alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. So again this you write it as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 3 into alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. So in the place of alpha square plus beta square I written alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This term I am writing as it is, divided by alpha beta.